Hello, my friends, and welcome to 1111 Outdoors. Today, I'd like to introduce you to the Buck Infusion. Every time I say that, I feel like I'm saying something wrong. The Buck Infusion. So, yeah, it's just fun to say. It's Buck Infusion. But look at this thing. Is this what you think of when you think of buck? I'm. It's just not. This is this is something else. This is truly unique for a buck knife. And you think the handle's unique. Look at this. Mm. Tell me that's not exciting. That profile is crazy. And I don't know, at first I was a little torn, but now I just love it. It comes down to a very, very sharp tip. You have this long working edge. It's amazing. And the opening on this thing, mm, that is outstanding. Listen to that. And if you're not ready, that thing, it'll shake you up. Opening this thing is exciting every time. And this aluminum, anodized aluminum, it pops. If you have Olight stuff, like the blue O-Pen or the blue Perun Mini, oh man, Perrin, I'm not sure how to say that. I think I said it wrong in one of my other videos. No one's corrected me yet. Come on, trolls, get with it. But this matches very well. If you're one of those people that like to color coordinate your stuff, this actually matches those quite well. I think I'll carry all these together just for fun. I'm not really a guy that does that very often, but I don't know. The more I establish a collection, the more it just seems natural to grab something that matches something else. And I think these actually complement each other extremely well. The Buck Infusion, I swear I cannot say that without laughing. The Buck Infusion it's just ergonomic. You wouldn't think it would be because it's just so parallel here, but I don't know. It just feels right. And they really exaggerated the jimping on this thing from here all the way to here. So, I, however big your hand is, you're probably going to find some real estate there. And the more I use this knife, I used it a little bit when I first got it. Like I said, I just got it, and I normally don't do videos on things I just got because, I mean, how much can you know about something you just got? There's a lot of these people that have channels, and I mean, they want to be the first people to pop a video out there. And I'm like, what do you know about that? I mean, I guess you can give me your insight on it. Yeah, I guess that's valuable, but I kind of like to know a little bit about something before I start talking about it. Anyway, I used this for probably about 2.5 hours. Did a little bit of cutting this, cutting that, a little bit of different hand holds to see how I liked it. And it really, really works out well. It's one of those knives that just has an outstanding profile. And it's one of those knives that equals its profile with performance. Check out the Buck Infusion. I think you'll be as excited about it as I am. It's a great knife. This is 1111 Outdoors. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will talk to you soon. Have a great day.